Hi, I'm Paul Chase. It's Becker College. We do not have Sakai. We've had Blackboard and went to Angel, and luckily we're close to where this conference is being held. Our college is located about 50 miles away, so it was a good chance to come up and actually talk to the people, because you can only get so much information from a web page or from phone calls and stuff like that. But once we got here and saw the people and talked to them, it's amazing how much free sharing that they're willing to do and the things that they're trying. One of the fears that we had was whether open source would work. We had another fear about whether the Sakai was actually growing or not, and they told us that they got 35 new sites. We found out that there were schools as large as 15, 30,000, 40,000 students and stuff. And then I just went to a conference where there was 1,200 students. So the whole range of people were there. I didn't realize that they came from all over, from South Africa, from Australia, from Hawaii, from British Columbia. So it was great just meeting all these people, knowing that the information was there, and seeing how each one was willing to share with the other person.